Hey guys, hope you're all well. My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. Today I just wanted to give you a high level overview of all the different ways you can leverage AI to improve whatever kind of lead generation method you use. So, obviously, more leads means more money. Essentially, it's quite simple. I probably don't need to convince you that you want to have more leads. What I may need to convince you of is why you should use AI to do so. Essentially, it's less time consuming than doing it yourself. There's no more valuable resource than time, um, and it's cheaper than getting a person to do it, and often better. Um, you might either spend quite a lot of money doing lead gen, or you might pay someone to do it cheaply on Fiverr or whatever, and they'll probably either do a bad job or just be leveraging AI to do it anyway and pocketing the profits. So you might as well do it yourself. There's four main ways of generating leads. Those are content, ads, outbound, and SEO. And I'm just going to take you through how you can leverage AI to do all four of those better. So, number one, content. On my channel, I've created a few videos where I've shown you how to build AI agents that come up with content ideas or actually write content for you. And AI can also help you strategize, help you get clear on your ideal customers, their wants and needs, what content will get eyeballs. Next up, ads. Just like with content, AI can draft the ads. It can also collect data, help you get clear on what's working and what isn't. Put all the data that your ad platform is giving you into a big sheet, so you can just have a clear sense of how your ads are performing. Next up, we've got outbound. With outbound, it either has to be personalized or high volume. A sort of low volume but unpersonalized approach just doesn't work. So if you're doing high volume, things like cold emailing, DMs can all be automated. There are apps you can find online that automate Instagram DMs and other social media DMs too. Email can be automated. Most people automate that by using Apollo to scrape for leads and using Instantly to create campaigns to cold email those leads. There's also warm outreach. You can have a chatbot on your website that takes down a name, an email, and phone number. And you can also have automations on your social media platform that DM people that interact with your content, like you or follow you or whatever. And SEO, I've this is another one I've covered recently. I built an AI agent that first does keyword research, finds keywords with a high search volume and low competition, and then actually puts all those keywords into a blog post. So with the volume, you can start to rank on Google. So one thing that's really important if you want to get the most out of AI is having the best prompts. The better your input, the better your output, essentially. The quickest and easiest way to get good at prompt engineering is the RISN method. RISN stands for role, input, steps, expectations, narrowing. So role, you define the role of the model. You tell it you're an email copywriter, you're a content marketer, whatever. You give it a relevant role. Input, you give it all the relevant detail of what you want it to do. You give it steps to break down the task. In a long form piece of writing, you might want to tell it what each paragraph's about, whatever. Expectations, what you want to see at the end. And then you might give it some narrowing steps, tell it what you want, what you don't want. You might say you want a certain word count. You might say you want the writing to be in a certain form, professional or less professional, whatever. So here I've got an example of a good prompt. So we started with the role here. You're an AI marketing expert crafting high converting LinkedIn content. Input, write a compelling LinkedIn post that educates and attracts leads by showcasing how AI is transforming business. Then we've got the steps here. Hook, start with a hook, and then go to an insight, and then go to a solution. and then to end with a call to action. And then here we've kind of got the expectations and narrowing in one: keep it engaging, jargon free, and value driven, and we've given it a word count. So if you go to the description of the video, I've got a link, a Calendly link. So if you just want to get on a free 30-minute call with me to help you with AI in your business, then you're very free to do so. Yeah, the link's in the description. But overall, thank you very much for watching.